I wound up hacking down, like, actually a lot of my bushes. I first time trimming the boxwood hedges, which they look nice, and now they're all kind of even height. But this was the big beast. I didn't even care. I just sacrificed any kind of bulbs or anything. I just left this little spray here. But it was really encroaching on everything. It was falling over during the hurricane. This one took a big topple. It was killing all the boxwoods on the other side. So I'm going to have to do a better job managing this Mrs. BR cant because it's just a beast. But it does give beautiful flowers, even though these are a little bit past due or a little bit dry. We hit 90 degrees one day, and that kind of did a lot of damage. Anyway, these are skyrocket junipers. I didn't touch those. And then I did do these Mrs. BR cants here. And the other huge hack job that I did was I took these Iliagnus, or I don't know, silverthorns or whatever they're called, and I made them into little balls. They were beasts taking over everything. They can grow 12 or 14 feet tall here. They have a beautiful scent when they flower in the spring or some early summer. I forget which. And this poor firebush, I hacked that down a while ago because it dies back when it freezes. But you can see that there's some growth in the middle there, so it will come back. And it'll probably be a little bit better manageable size before it was taking over everything. I mean, it came all the way out here and covered all these apricot drift roses. So this is the garden this morning, April 14th. And I did cut back the crepe myrtles because they bloom on new growth. I did not get to these rose bushes in the front here. I probably should because they're full of this smilax. I have to get rid of that. And there are actually some other weeds in here that I have to get out. But you could see that the big silver balls there now of the Iliagnus that were way out of control. Maybe that middle one I could take down a little bit more and put a path between it. I don't know. But anyway, garden's looking so much better. And it really is, everything's greening up because it's starting to get warmer and we had a little bit of rain. But I'm excited for this. It's been budding up for a few days, and hopefully it'll bloom soon, and I'll show you that. But meanwhile, here's my, here I'm cleaning up all the rubbish that I left behind. But I just love this little area here, and I think I want to do more of this phlox and coreopsis, even though it kind of takes over everything.